What is happening, guys? Cliff again on crypto, and it's official. Bitcoin is coming with a Bitcoin Cash fork. So I'll put links below in the description. It seems that is going to hard fork come 1st of August, and they're moving pretty quick on it. Some miners couldn't get their crap together, and they weren't happy with the outcome. So we are going to see a Bitcoin fork. Now, how does this affect you? I would strongly suggest just taking your coins off the exchanges and putting them in, I believe on the Reddit group that they even said the Exodus wallets would be fine as well. The developers have given comment there that, but effectively we're going to be seeing two coins. So watch out for that. We don't know which is the most dominant one. I think Bitcoin will still be. But Bitcoin Cash has emerged because, cash is king. I don't know where they thought of that one, but maybe it has a double conundrum to it. I don't know. Furthermore, on CoinMarketCap, they're already listed as well. What is interesting though that I did see the symbol, is BCC, and if I'm not mistaken, that's BitConnect. So yeah, it was a little weird. Anyway, so that is on. It opened up yesterday at about 450 or maybe slightly more, and it's obviously dropped quite significantly, and you probably can understand why it is, but it's happening. It's going down like a homesick mole. So watch out for that one. Then I thought I'd just do another quick review. I got a lot of comments from a few of you guys on almost every single video, and it was about Control Finance. So I took the liberty out of my day and I thought I'd do a little review on that. So yes, Control Finance. And that is probably as far as I'm going to go with Control Finance. So you will not be seeing any links below for any Control Finance. Now, don't get me wrong, you guys know, and I think a lot of you are asking me about this, is because I'm a high-risk person. As you know, I try everything and I'm very open-minded. So I looked at it in a non-objective way. I don't look at it as a hater, and I'm sure we're going to have a lot of guys come on and hate on me for my opinion, but it's just an opinion. There's nothing against the firm or what they're doing. I just see too many red flags, and the red background sort of indicates that I might be correct. I don't know. Anyway, so just be careful with this one. This one is so left field from some of the other high risk things that I have tried out. Now, the reason why and you're probably saying, isn't this similar to the BitConnect one? And yeah, they're similar in ways of you lock your money in, you get interest paid and so forth. But this one doesn't even have a blockchain. It doesn't have a token. It's just there's less transparency basically in the world of Egyptians in this specific one. So I can't vet what happens behind the scenes. Now apparently they've got a company, they've got some support and contact numbers. That's all well and said. Companies come and go. In my mind, and this is once again just my personal opinion. There's no way that I'm saying that you mustn't do this. Go and do your own homework, and I see there's a lot of big brand YouTubers out there promoting the crap out of these things. So you're welcome to go and check out their thing. I just did a little search and just to see for myself, but this is not for me. Okay, my papa told me when something's too good to be true, then it is damn well too good to be true. So I have stuck with that analogy. I'm not saying you need to do it as well. Now, I do risk, don't get me wrong, I risk extremely high because I love great reward. Now, the only one that I did within the space was the BitConnect one, as you guys know, but I didn't even go wild. I shoved in, and I'm going to show you this transparently. I shoved in, 620 now, and I just keep clicking, reinvest the whole time. Only because if it does go down and that it worked out for some obscure reason, then great, I'm there, then I don't kick myself in the balls and say, damn it, I wish I had. That's the only reason why I'm doing it. But when I put that money in, the 400 when I started with, or 320 or whatever it was at the time, when I put that money in, I wrote it off as if I did a bad trade. We've shorted trades before, so it's a similar outcome. And I didn't really want to, and the reason for my Control Finance, well, I'm not going to try this. And I know a lot of you are saying, just try $100 or $300 and let us know. I'm not going to do that, because if I try this, then it's like you jump on all of them, and if it's hemorrhaging money in areas that I don't really believe in, if that makes sense. So I've got one that I'm trying, as I said, for absolute fun and giggles, because I'm literally trying to prove myself wrong. It's a bet against myself to say, look, I know that this is going to go belly up, so I'm actually going to take a bet on it, and that's why I'm just reinvesting on that one. That is how I actually saw it, as you guys saw in my previous video. It's literally just for fun. And it's actually been funny because it seems to hold up to what it's saying, and it's paying. But you know what? Some of these things can go around for years. Some of them can be around for months. I don't know. I've got two balls and not one of them are crystal. But I do think you should stay you need to do your homework on this. I'm not going to say stay clear from it, but I personally am going to stay clear from these type of programs. So I'm going to ask you guys, please don't ask me about it again. This is my take on these lending programs and so on. I don't want to be involved with them. Don't get me wrong. I'm not putting my reputation on it. And on this specific one, there are red flag indicators. You know, it's like they trade, and these on the reports. And I mean, you can look at the investment offers. They've got an affiliate program as well for those of you that are interested. And you put in, here's an example, put in $100 and click calculate. You never get the money back though on this one. The other one at least has got a little bit, maybe a bit more. You know, you get your money back maybe, and that type of thing. But yeah, it's like, you know, you don't get your money back. Yeah, you're getting, you know, great. This is fantastic. But how is it sustainable? I can't put 2 and 2 together. You know what I mean? 1 and 1 ain't 11 for me right now. You know what I mean? It's 2. And you know, they've got the company profile bloke sitting behind the chair, great, and then they got these trade reports that show the Poloniex account with the trades. Now what happens if the guy gets the trade wrong? Can see how that email is going to come out. Hello guys, I don't know if he's an English chap, but I thought I'd just do it in English. Got them trades wrong because the market's up to crap. However, he has an IOU because I rather owe it to you than let you down. No thanks, mate. You go with that one. That's not for me. So that's my take on it, guys. That's my little quick review. I know a lot of you guys are going to probably give me the thumbs down, but it's my own opinion, and don't go hating. I'm sure there's great stuff to be said about this company, and there's a lot of guys that are doing some great stuff. Those are the guys that you need to check out and follow and subscribe to, and you know, those guys are mentors presumably in this space. I don't know. This is not my space, and as my subscribers know, I'm transparent. I love talking open, and I ain't going to sugarcoat crap. When something's crap in my eyes, like for me, I'm not saying this comes crap, but when I see something that looks like crap, putting sugar over it and taking a lick, it's still going to taste like crap. Not that anybody would do that, but it will still taste like crap. So I'm not saying this is that case, guys. This thing could be huge. This could be, as I've heard one YouTuber say to his sort of crowd when I was doing my research today, this could be the next Google. You know what I mean? Okay, next Google. You see, everyone's excited now, but I'll miss that one. I missed Google in 2000. I'm happy to miss Google now. The next Google. So, guys, be careful. It's a jungle out there. You know what I mean? Don't risk what you can't afford to lose. If you want to go with my mentality, where you put a little in just to see yourself get to the finish line, if it goes off, you can go, ha! Told you so. That's cool as well. That works. That's what I'm doing with this type of stuff. You know, the money lies in the trading, as well as the you know, the long-term holds and the less risky things. You know, is what I'm looking for. If you're asking what am I doing, as you all know, I'm into the masternodes, the staking, long-term holds, short-term trades. You know, just advancing myself in that area over and over and over. So be safe, guys. I don't like to see guys lose money, so just make sure you check everything. So I'm prepared to write this off. And it's the same with mining and all these other things as well. Make sure whatever you put to it, you know, write it off, and I hope for the best, you know what I mean, and just really hope for the best. But play it safe out there, because it is a jungle. Till the next time, guys, got some cool technical vids coming up. A few of the my